Quest Hook, the Vanishing Isle of Serpent's Fang. Far out in the treacherous waters of the Azure Sea lies Serpent's Fang, an isle that appears only when the moon is full and the tides are high. Sailors tell tales of a land shrouded in mist, where the sands are littered with the bones of those who dared to set foot on its shores. They say that the isle is cursed, a place where time stands still, and the souls of the lost wander forever, searching for a way to escape the grip of the ancient magic that binds them. Legends speak of a hidden temple at the heart of Serpent's Fang, guarded by serpents of immense size and cunning. The temple is said to house an ancient artifact of great power, one that can grant its wielder dominion over the seas, but only if they can survive the trials that await them. Many have sought the temple, but none have returned to tell the tale. The island vanishes with the dawn, taking all who remain with it, never to be seen again. Some believe that the island is a test, a trial set by the gods to find the worthy. Others say it is a trap, meant to lure the greedy and the foolhardy to their doom. Whatever the truth, the isle continues to draw adventurers with its promise of untold riches and unimaginable power. But beware, for those who set foot on Serpent's Fang may find that the island has no intention of letting them leave. Will you brave the vanishing Isle of Serpent's Fang and claim the artifact before the island disappears once more? Or will you become just another lost soul, trapped forever in its cursed embrace? So, will you take the risk? Will you set sail under the full moon, venture to Serpent's Fang, and face the trials that await within the mist? Or will you let the island's secrets remain hidden, its power untouched, while the bones of the fallen whisper warnings in the wind? The choice is yours, but beware, the isle waits for no one.